हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्टडी चैनल। आज का जो कंटेक्स्ट है वो है वर्ल्ड स्किल्स कजन 2019। ओके, तो इसके बारे में चलिए डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये जो है जो वर्ल्ड स्किल्स कजन 2019 का सेलिब्रेशन है। इंडिया का फ्लैग है, इंडिया का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है। सो बेसिकली कंटेक्स्ट ये है 45th वर्ल्ड स्किल्स competition. That is competition is being held at Kazan Expo International Exhibitions Center in Kazan, रशिया। तो रशिया में एक जगह का नाम है कजन। तो वहाँ पे ये जो 45th वर्ल्ड स्किल्स कंपटीशन ये हेल्ड हुआ है। ओके, तो इसीलिए ये अभी न्यूज़ में है। तो व्हाट इज इट? सो इट इज ए फ्लैगशिप इवेंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड स्किल्स इंटरनेशनल, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एवरी 2 years। 2 साल में एक बार होता है ये। So it is the biggest vocational education and the skill excellence event in the world that truly that is reflects global industry. The aim of the that is competitions include the demonstrating the advantages of the learning a vocational skills and encourage the parity of the स्ट्रीम्स between the vocational and academic qualification। So basically ये जो है ये फ्लैगशिप है, ठीक है। फ्लैगशिप इवेंट है वर्ल्ड का जो स्किल्स इंटरनेशनल का, ठीक है। तो ये 2 साल में होता है एक बार। तो ये क्या है ना, बिगेस्ट वोकेशनल एजुकेशन एंड स्किल्स एक्सीलेंसी इवेंट है, ठीक है। About the world skills currently has 79 members and the regions, most of which organize the national skills competitions that help to prepare the workforce and the talent of the today for the jobs of the futures. World Skill International was formerly known as the International that is Vocation Training Organization, that is IVTO. It was founded in 1940 and emerged from a desire to create the new employment opportunity for the young people in the some of the economics and that were devastated by the Second World War. So, what is the World Skills India? So, World Skills India is an initiative of the National Skill Development Corporation under the Ministry of the Skill Development and Entrepreneurship (NSDC). Through its World Skills India initiative, okay, has been the leading the country's participation in the at the World Skills International Competition since the 2011. The key objective of World Skills India to that is promulgate the skills in society and motivate the that is youth to pursue the vocational educations. Okay, that is then the champion skills and the learning for the work for the local, regional, national and international skills competitions and contribute to the society. Okay, invite the sponsorship to organize the local, regional, national, international skills competition and also host the international competitions. Okay, then establish the link and long-term association that is with the WSI Secretariat along with the development of cooperations with the government of India, state governments, register vocational skills training and awarding the bodies. Okay, इतना ही है। थैंक यू।